Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Oh, what are you up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
We're plaiting an aho called Kōkā. We've collected kiriho, plastic, and now we're recycling it and making cord.
What will you use it for, or?
Oh, we don't know yet.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Kia has invited you to celebrate Matariki with him. Would you like to do that?
We won, Pāpā Rākau.
Take the cord you're making, but you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We're going to celebrate Matariki with kia.
Did you know one way to celebrate Matariki is by flying Pākau kites?
Kaore, Kōkā.
A Pākau kite connects Papatūānuku, Earth, with Ranginui, the sky.
Ka mutupea. That's amazing.
Now go see Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Matariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia wants you to join him. He's waiting for you in the mountains.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we can celebrate Matariki by flying a Pākau. Kites.
That's quite right, Ooh. Do you know what a kite is made of?
How?
Let's take a look. First, you make a frame for the Pākau, kite. If you make it from bracken fern, rarauhe stem, tied with kareao, supplejack, it'll be nice and light. Next, you cover it with roto leaves, which are also light.
Hangareka, Anna. That's amazing, Pāpā Rākau. And we have our string made of recycled plastic to fly a Pākau kite.
Whoa! Whoa!
Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
You can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e.
Watch out for care on the mountain, Pooh.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere.
Yay! Ira, look! I can see the Paimanga mountain range.
Can you see anything else?
Aye! Kia is waiting for us.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay! Got it right this time. Kia ora, Kia.
Kia says during Matariki it's always windy here in the maunga, the mountains.
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kite.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Pākau. Pākau.
Pākau is the word of the day.
How can we make a pākau, a kite, way up here? Using some rarauhi, bracken fern stem, and kareo, supplejack to make a frame. And here's some raipo, bulrush to cover it. Let's work together and make a pākau, kite. And we have our string made of recycled plastic to fly a Pākau kite! We're celebrating Matariki. Kare's right! The wind is so strong! Ranginui is looking down on us. Yay! Thank you, Kia. That was special. But we have to go home now. Let's celebrate with a waiata.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have fun flying a kite with Kia?
Ai, Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Pākau. 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 Pākau.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You met Kia at the Maunga mountain. You made a kite that you flew with him to celebrate Matariki. You saw Ranginui, the sky, and you learned a new word. Pā u Pākau. Pākau. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say good night. For Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe